Hi, Charles here. What? Another episode so soon? It'll be short. Thanks for watching. Well, months ago when I was in the midst of this van build, I got the idea that I wanted to be able to have a keypad to get into the car in case we locked ourselves out. And so I found online, I think I got the information from the Ford USA Transit Forum that I belong to. And so I found a Ford dealership. I'll put the link down below. And that's where I ordered it. I think it was $77 at that time. And you get the keypad, and you get it is a Ford product, and you get this. Looks like a credit card. It's got the original factory code, and that's about it. They don't give you any instructions. And so I found there two or three different ways people said you could program it. You turn the key 4 times, and you do this and do it and that. And so I tried it. My son-in-law and I tried it. And we couldn't get it to work. And there's also a website. It's called Far Out Ride. A lot of great information if you're doing a van build. And they had their way. They got it to work, but I just simply couldn't get it to work. And so I just kind of forgot about it. It's been in the glove box. And so the other day I thought I want this done. So today I had the transit in to do. I just had them check fluids and tires and belts and wipers and just a little bit of everything. And then I had a cigarette port nearest me that doesn't work, and they found that intermittently works. So they've ordered the original Ford part, and we'll get that done when we get back. But I'm okay. There's another one there, plus all my Ecoflows. So anyway, so I had it in today, and I looked it up, and they charge between $50 and $100 to do any kind of programming. So I ended up paying $90 for this, but the guy spent quite a while. He couldn't get it. I don't think normally people come in with a keypad and do this. They typically are reprogramming one that sort of came with the vehicle. So long story short, they got it working, and he had to call, the Ford technician had to go call Ford, and they gave him the way to do this. And here's the issue. This is a 2018. Okay, so this could have been ordered, I assume, with a keypad. When you order a keypad, there are apparently different versions of them, and they have a different communication protocol. I think that's what you would call it. And so there's communication 1 and 2. I think that's it. I don't know if there's any more. So you have to do one way, and there's so many variables. I don't know how I would find it, but you change the protocol and then try one of the 4 or 8. Some say it's 10 times. Leave it on. Do this and that. Make it work. So I don't know what combination was. I don't care now. But it does work now. So I told him what number I wanted, and then he called me back, and I showed him. I thought, I'll just have it right here. And the cool thing is, what I like about it, of course, you can get in without your key. So if you push 7, 8, 9, 10 together, it locks all the doors. If I put in my code, it unlocks the 2 front doors. And within 5 seconds of doing that, if I push 3, 4, it'll unlock the back and side door. Okay? So if your Ford Transit did not come with one, there'll be a link below, and I'll have a couple of links of possible answers. And today when I posted this on a couple of the Ford Transit Facebook page, a guy posted the thing about the communication issue. So I'll put that down in the description as well. So I'm really happy to have this. It's really, really handy way to get in. I'm more than paranoid about keys, so I always have my key on me. And when we're hiking, no matter what, it's in a zipped pocket. But this will be certainly handy, and I know a day is coming where I'll be extremely happy that I have this here. And I almost bought 2, have one on each side, but I just thought that was kind of, being too luxurious, not really necessary. There you go. Of course, I took longer than I thought I would, but we're happy to have this. The van is all ready to go, so Tuesday we will head down the road. I looked at the weather, and Moab and Capitol Reef and Grand Junction, they're like cool the next few days, like, in the 70s. And then by the time we get out there, it's saying they're going to be in upper 80s or 90 or something. So that's the way it goes. We'll see if it changes. And the scenic drive at Capitol Reef, it stops at the Grand Wash because they got a bunch of rain. So it'll be a little while into the trip before we're there. So hopefully we'll be able to do that drive again. But if we don't, there's a hike or two that we've never done there that we don't have to go that direction. So we're looking forward to our trip. I especially Rocky Mountain, because yesterday someone told me that at 12,000 feet there was a chance of snow last night. And there's always a chance of snow up there. I've been up there in August and gotten hail on me at 2 in the morning while doing Milky Way. So anyway, just a little tip for you. It blends in nicely, and happy to have it. Thanks for watching.